An experiment consists of selecting a ball from a bag and spinning a coin. The bag contains 5 red and 7 blue. So we have 5 red and 7 blue. So that makes the total to be 12. That's the information we have. A ball is selected at random from the bag, its color is noted, and then the ball is returned to the bag. That means it is being replaced. This particular story, this particular game that is being played, it is being replaced. Now, when the red ball is selected, there is a coin. The coin is biased. That means when we take any regular coin, the probability of getting a head is 50% and probability of getting a tail is 50%. But this particular coin that is being tossed, that is no regular or ordinary coin, it is biased, and the probability is 2 by 3 if it is red and then you toss the coin. And if it is blue, then a fair coin is used, so that means the probability is 50% each, 50% for head and 50% for tail. So the question is, complete the table. So the first one is probability for red is going to be 5 out of 12. And the probability for the first blue is going to be 7 out of 12. That's the first thing. Now we know if it is a red, then the coin will be biased and the coin will have a probability of 2/3 for head. So 2/3 for head. So automatically for tail, that means 1 minus 2 by 3, that would be 1/3. Now if it's a blue, the probability is going to be same as a fair coin. So 50%, meaning half for probability of head and half for probability of tail. So far it's very straightforward. So that is the question. Now the next story is that, so this was question number A. So question number B is, so there is a person and the person selects an item and then spins the coin. The question is, find the probability that there is going to be head. So obviously this structure follows option 1, option 2, yes no format, and in that format find the probability of head. It has 2 permutations, red and head or blue and head. That means 5 by 12 into 2 by 3 or 7 by 12 into 1 by 2. So that is the probability of getting. So 23 by 45 is the probability. So when we have a question like this that an information is given, so that means the total probability is that. So in this case, the total probability is going to be 23 by 45. That is the probability of head. So this will be 23 by 45. Now we have to find the probability that it is red. Of course, since it is given, there is head. So the probability of red means red and head. So that is going to be 5 by 12 into 2 by 3, and the probability is 25 by 46. So the question is, find the probability if a person selects 2 items that both the item have the same color. So by this, it might seem a bit confusing because we have heads and all this thing, because it is option 1, option 2, yes no, because that's the game, that's what is happening. You select a color, you toss a coin. But the next question is simply, if the person were to select 2 items from the bag, find the probability they would be the same color. So same color really represents 2 permutations, red and red or blue and blue. So the probability of red and red is 5 by 12 multiplied by, since it is being replaced, so you have to remember the item is returned to the bag. So that is the trick. So it is still going to be 5 by 12 because the item is chosen and the item is returned to the bag. So the probability will not change. It will be 5 by 12 into 5 by 12, or blue and blue also means it will be returned to the bag. So the probability will be 7 by 12 into 7 by 12, and that is the probability.